You have a dog door. Look. Do you see it? Look. Yoda, look. Look, Skip. It's a dog door. You don't even know. Look. It's here. Skippy, look. Look here. See? It's a dog door. Are you going to go, Yoda? Dog door. Oh, there goes Chewy in the dog door. And here comes... Oh, Penny's having a hard time. Can you do it, Pen? Good girl, Penny. Good girl, Skippy. Good boy, Skippy. Good dog. Where's Yoda? Where's Yoda? Oh, Chewy's going to go look for Yoda. Yoda! Chewy, go get Yoda. Go get him. Go on. Go get Yoda. Go get Yoda. Chewy's going to go get him. Where's Yoda? Oh, Skippy's going to go. They're going to go in. Hi, Chew. You just love that door. Yes. Love the door. I love the door. We're happy to have a door. Oh. There comes Skippy. Where's Yoda? Yoda. Come on, Yoda. And here comes Yoda.